Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, I'm going to review American Crew Fiber, and this is a hair product. I'm going to get to my favorite thing in just a second, but what you need to know about this is it is very, very pliable. One of my favorite things about this is, not my favorite thing, but one of my favorite things is that you can kind of get it in shape and then kind of move it around later. It's not going to just start flaking on you or whatnot. At least in my experience, it's very helpful. And my favorite thing about this is definitely the fact that it stays where you want it when you want it, and it doesn't come out until you want it to change, right? Um, Even if you get it a little bit wet, it's not going to just fall apart on you. And it's very sturdy, and I have pretty long hair, and it kind of keeps it exactly where I want it, whatever I want it, all day long. So, and smells great too, if that's a factor. But highly recommend this product, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.